Too small, but too small. I would rather if it was this way, because then it would be less.
These have all been made out of the wool, and these as well. Looks like we're going to have a sheep shearing demonstration in a bit. Just having a quick look round.
The any other pure breed, which is a short-horn cow calf. We've got the British Blue. We've got the commercial beef heifer. Long. So all the breed judges are going to judge these animals. We've got a scorecard 10 to 0, but they can only use their points once. So if you give a 10 to the commercial beef, they can't use it again. And they also can't judge their own breed. Okay, so we have the points done, and that will give us a grand total. Right. So they've been showing here a long time. So Messrs. Victor Hobkinson, yeah? So well done, you can see a smile on the face because they have been coming a long time.
Right, we're just watching the sheepdog trials now. Duke and Bob, just going to watch this dog's trialling, and we've just been recognised. Somebody's just come past and recognised us off YouTube. So it's supposed to be undercover today.
Right, leave me with it.
Right, here we are at Hope Valley Country Show, and we're in the tractor section today. Bob's attracted to this Marshall 804. He's fancying that one. Yeah, that's in really good condition, that. So we're going to have a look around the tractors. Hopefully they're all going in the arena in a minute to demonstrate, so we'll try and film them coming in and out of the arena for you. And then over the other side we've got some classic cars we're going to have a look around. This J.C.B. Sightmaster here is in absolutely mint condition. Look at that. Never had any dirt in the bucket. So yeah, we'll have a look around, see what we can see. Nice example of a Zetor 5211 here. With twin passenger seats. So yeah, we'll have a look around, see what we can see, and hopefully film it for you. There's young Philip on his David Brown, and they're all just starting up to go and parade around the main arena. So we'll go and have a look at that in a minute. Great little landlord. Take it.
I don't like it though.
What was it? 770 there, look.
Yeah.
mine's going to be military green. Another one. 2 780s.
Yeah.
Big Ford 8340. All right. Look at this, McCormick International. All right. Look at these. Metal tyres, look at that one. McCormick Deering. My God, that's nice. Here's a 990 Selectomatic with accommodation. And there's Sean on top. Nice little shepherd's hut on the back of there. Look at that. That's nice, isn't it? Brilliant, that. 135 Massey, beautiful little link box on the back. Another Massey here. $885 here. $990, brilliant. Here's young Philip. Young Philip's here. He's had his parade around the arena. Little Fergie. Oh, there's one in there somewhere. Cyclops is here. $12.94 case. $56.10 Ford, here we go. One's for the Ford fans. That's nice. $83.40. 4-wheel drive big one. $5,600 Ford. Swap sides. $76.10 Ford. Look at that. Farm condition. Big John Deere, one for Rowley, $30.50. That's nice. 804 Marshall, look at this, this is clean. Very nice. Very, very nice. Straight through stainless. That's the 804. Little 880 in farm condition. With the side filter. Crop Master. Very nice. Looks like you're on a date. The date tractor. A little field master here. That is good. Way, look at that. Nice case. Might be a 1394, I'm not sure. And we're back round to the International again. Still waiting to go in the arena? Are you? Oh, I don't know. Yeah. This will be on YouTube. I'll get you a drink next time I see you. Look at this, 5211, the old Zetor. Brilliant. That is nice. All waiting the turn to have a look round the arena. Some nice Alice Chalmers here. One with a finger bar mower on. Look at that. That's nice. Centre mounted finger bar mower. Petrol engine as well. Fortune Super Major. They're all coming back in. There's the MB track. They were the fast tracks of the day. It's tractor madness here. They're coming from everywhere. $770. Have a closer look at that. One in farm condition here. 780. Selectomatic 990 here and a 880 Selectomatic with a cab on. Think it might be a Victor cab, or is it a stay dry? I'm not sure. It looks like a Victor cab with modifications. Yeah, it's a Victor cab that with modifications. And the old Acrobat on the back. Acrobat hay turner. Here's a nice 880. There we go. Here's a rake of Massey Ferguson's. Look at that. I think that one might have been at Bakewell on our Bakewell video a few weeks ago. I'm pretty sure it was. Here we got a Raker Grey Fergies. Look at these here. All the way to the top. All the way up. Brilliant. Here's a 135 with a Massey Ferguson finger bar mower on. I think that's the same as what we've got at the Dukes, but we haven't got the swath board. That's what it should look like. And for those of you who keep messaging me what the end should look like, here's a close-up of it, and that should be welded on there like that. We've took ours off to stop it blocking up. 590 with a drum mower on.
Might even be better, and it's owned by K-Plant of Sheffield. Carry on, sir. Thank you. This one's moved on all sorts of places.
There's Nelson.
Petrol paraffin version of the famous time limit.
This is the problem with transport. It's just like electric vehicles, it's got to have its own water supply, whereas electric vehicles have to have their own charge point. Full circle, it's all gone round again. Look at that, that's amazing. Fully restored Sightmaster Turbo Plus. Little Cropmaster. Comes the Zetor. And Massey Harris.
Best featured tractor is the Ford 5000.
Scammell. Old Scammell lorry. And an Albion.
Excellent. Come on.
The old Albion.
Mr.
And they're the tractor winners over there. There's a nice 990 there. It's not ours, but it's nice.
With a Ferguson.
So there we are, that's it. We've been to Hope Show today, and we're not drunk. We haven't even had a drink today. But we've had a look around all the classic tractors, vintage tractors. Unfortunately, we didn't get time to film any cars, and that's about it really. We've just had a quick look round. We're off now, so trying to find the car now in the car park and queue to get out. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. See you later.